Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. There is one thing which is very interesting about a line in a career. And if we talk about the dentistry, then I must say it is a very good line because after COVID, it increasing the opportunity as well as having the advancement in dentistry. As we all know that after COVID, we come across the hair transplant process, that too in more places in India. And now there is one more opportunity which is knocking your door. That too, what after BDS option. So today, myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni and you are watching Dr. Surbhi Sahni YouTube channel. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. I'm going to talk about a new advancement or a new opportunity in dentistry after BDS. Yes, it is the School of Biodesign, a fellowship program. It is organized by the THSTI Faridabad, that is the Translational Health Science and Technology Institute, which is situated in Faridabad, Haryana. And it is course type is, it is the fellowship program. And the course specialty is the health technology. Now, if we talk about this field, we need to know each and every aspect of this field because we are new to hear about this advancement in dentistry. The THSTI has invited the applications to work as partnering the institutions for the innovation and for the product development in medical diagnostic. The SIB has been a very successful flagship program of Department of Biotechnology, that is the DBT, which has led to the development of more than 35 medtech products and 20 startups. SIB has now been started at Translational Health Science and Technology Institute, that is THSTI Institute, by Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. This fellowship program is being implemented at THSTI in collaboration with the leading institution in the country via Indian Institute of Technology, that is IITM Madras, Christian Medical College Vellore, PGI Chandigarh and Venture Center Pune. The focus of this program is on the medtech innovation for the development of affordable and accessible medical diagnostic technologies. What is the goal of this program? The goal of this fellowship program is to foster a pool of social and science innovation in the biodesign arena and to train them to become the successful entrepreneurs. The fellows will be exposed to all the aspects of the development, science, validation, commercialization and use of in vitro diagnostics. Fellowship program will run with a duration of 12 months. That means a 1-year fellowship program just after BDS. The innovators and entrepreneurs trained via this program, they are expected to provide the niche skills in the domain of vitro diagnostics and enable the India to attain its goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat, as they said, as a domain. The program is looking for the minions within the passion of technology innovation and requisite skill for receiving the training in the clinical immersion, product innovation and entrepreneurship. What is the desirable candidate they want for this program? Candidate with the involvement in innovation, design and social entrepreneurship or social empowerment using the science or technology are particularly encouraged to apply for this program. The ideal candidates demonstrating a strong interest in innovation, creativity and entrepreneur mindset compiled with a genuine desire to aspire and to make a positive impact in this field. About the fees of this fellowship program, then it is the 590 with the stipend of rupees 60,000 and your accommodation, you have to carry out your accommodation at your own. Definitely the scholarship is not available in this program. Now, what is the eligibility criteria of a candidate to apply for this fellowship program? The first eligibility criteria is the candidate who have the qualification in science with MSc, PhD in life sciences and the relative field, or in chemistry, or in engineering with BTech, MTech, BE, ME, or in medicine with MBBS, BDS, BVSC or business. MBA with life science or engineering background candidates can also apply and join this fellowship program. The second criteria, yes, there is the age limit to join this fellowship program, that is the 35 years. Eligibility criteria is all the educational, professional and technical qualification should be from the recognized university or a board. The experience requirements specified shall be experience acquired after obtaining the minimum educational qualification required for the post. Person working in government, PSU or the autonomous bodies shall apply through the proper channel or produce no objection certificate at the time of interview. Canvassing in any of the case or any form will be disqualification. Admission process to join this fellowship program just after BDS, or even if you are a candidate having the BDS degree and with few years of experience also, then also you can join this fellowship program. Admission process is, admission will be through online application, form submission, click here to apply and then visit to the institute website, right? That is THSTI Faridabad, Haryana. So you can search it out on Google and reach to their official website. Followed by that, you need to upload the PDF format documents during online application, which are as mentioned below. Now, what are the documents required to apply for this fellowship program? The first one is, there is the soft copy of your passport size photo and signature, that is in JPG or PNG format. Comprehensive CV containing the details of the qualification, position held, professional experience, etc. Followed by the matriculation certificate equivalent to the 10th standard or the mark sheet, that means class mark sheet, followed by 12th class mark sheet, followed by your graduation mark sheet and graduation degree. If you have done the post-graduation degree, then please to submit the post-graduate degree also, or the diploma. If you have done some PG diploma course just after BDS or MDS, then also you can apply and upload that degree also. Experience certificate including the caste or the disability certificate in the format prescribed by the Government of India if applicable. A statement of purpose in 1000 words in the words format describing your aspiration of the candidate in the technology innovation. There is one thing, that this branch is totally non-clinical side as compared to the clinical dentistry part, right? But being a BDS, you can definitely apply and go through this fellowship program in India. Now let's see the selection criteria. The applications received will be screened based on the eligibility criteria mentioned above and the content of the statement of purpose. The shortlisted candidates will be called for an interview in person, as that too at the THSTI Faridabad, Haryana. The names of the shortlisted candidates will be announced on their website only. Final selection will be made based on the applicant performance in the interview, and the list of selected candidates will be published on the THSTI website only. So you need to check and keep your eye on the official website of THSTI Faridabad, Haryana. So that's all about the new adventure or a new line in dentistry, that too a non-clinical dentistry, we can say a fellowship program just after BDS, a very good option in the year 2023. That's all about the complete information. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.